What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about these Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s, whatever you want to call them, that are dropping this upcoming Saturday, man. I am very excited about this Air Jordan 1, man. So right now, before we get too far into it, before we start talking about this shoe, I need you guys right now to subscribe and ring the notification bell for you boys so you never miss another video, and follow me over on IG at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below as always, man. If you don't mind, please hit that like button right now. That'd be much appreciated, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right to this video talking about these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I was talking about this shoe a couple of weeks ago on the channel. I think it was like the most anticipated sneakers are released in 2020, and I was pretty much saying like I ain't got no shoes with green in it and stuff like that. And after I dropped my Air Jordan 1 collection video, and I forgot I had the Air Jordan 1 best hand in the game pack with the green colorway, man. Let me grab them right quick for you guys. Very dope shoe, man. So I had to retake my comments back and retake my statement back saying I didn't have any green shoes or green Air Jordan 1s in my collection, man. And I looked at these and I was like, bro, these are super fire. And I think that darker contrast to that green, hitting off that predominantly black shoe, it's gonna be very nice. And I think the quality as far as on the side panels and on the toe box is way better, man. I seen one early review on YouTube, and the quality on the toe box and on the side panels is super buttery, and it's pretty much shitting on this Air Jordan 1 best hand in the game pack. I do believe that the red pair that came in this pack had a little better quality than all the other Air Jordan 1s that came in that pack, but just basing it off of this one right here, these Pine Greens are going to be definitely something you want to grab in your collection, something that you can beat up, something that you can wear a lot without having to worry about the creases and just overall wear and tear over your Air Jordan 1s, man. But most people don't really care about, you know, the quality of the Air Jordan 1s. People don't really care about creasing them and wearing them, beating them up. I know some people do. I know some people don't like their shoes to crease and stuff like that. So they go and get those shoes with the better Air Jordan 1 leather, man. Me personally, I really don't care. Beat these up. I pretty much wear all my Air Jordan 1s more than I wear any other shoe in my collection besides my Yeezys, because lately I've been beating my Yeezys up. But Air Jordan 1s are hands down my go-to sneakers, and I have a pair of Air Jordan 1s coming straight from the GOAT app. I'm just waiting on my package. I recently bought an Air Jordan 1. I want to show you guys what I copped. I recently took an L on this shoe. As you guys do know, I took a lot of L's on Air Jordan 1, so you guys can kind of guess which Air Jordan 1 I have coming to the collection finally, man. And I also have a pair of sneakers coming from StockX, and I spent under $100. I didn't even think this was possible. You hear StockX, you hear GOAT, you like, you're never gonna find any sneakers for under $100. But your boy did. I spent $97 some change, and you guys are gonna see that unboxing very soon, man. Hopefully it come either tomorrow or maybe early next week, man. So stay tuned for that. But back to these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. We'll put a picture up right here. I feel like you can almost just see how the quality looks just looking at the picture right here. And even looking at pictures on my phone, you just know like this shoe gonna have some nice leather. You know it's gonna be dope shoe. And you know a lot of people want this shoe. They did a shock drop or exclusive access drop on the Nike sneakers app yesterday. I was staying tuned with that little access, and I waited too long, I guess. And as soon as I put my phone down, they sent access to everybody, and of course, your boy took an L. But I did see a couple people on IG, you know, hit on the shoe, so shouts out to them. Hopefully I get my pair on Saturday, and I'm gonna tell you guys where to get your pairs on Saturday as well, man. So I was checking out the release calendar for, you know, Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and Foot Action. They will all be getting the Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens, man. So if you do not know, they are all doing it first come first serve. I know you're like, what? Air Jordan 1 first come first serve? I haven't seen this in a long time, but they did it. So you guys be ready to go out there, camp for a little bit, maybe a couple hours. I was looking at the resale value on this shoe. It's right around 200 and 220 bucks for the money sizes. So you can kind of tell like the shoe really isn't, you know, limited, or it's not like a hot commodity, I guess you could say. Because looking at past Air Jordan 1 releases, we see the resale price it's going crazy, the early price going crazy, but these right here going right around that 220 bucks, man. But just because it's low on the resale does not mean you shouldn't go out and cop, because I think this shoe is very dope. So your boy definitely gonna go out and get those shoes for myself. I was supposed to get an early review out for you guys, so my apologies for not pushing that video out to you. So on Saturday, I'm definitely gonna be giving you guys a review and dope on feet over these Air Jordan 1s. And if you have like any shoe palaces and DTLRs, especially with future releases, you want to make sure you go to those spots and ask like how they're releasing the shoe. Because I remember when I lived in Georgia, they did DTLR did, you know, the raffle system where you go sign your name up. You can do like a men's pair and you can do a GS size, and they put your ticket in the box, you know, they do like little random pulls and stuff like that. That's how they did it in Georgia. Here in Texas, they do it at Shoe Palace as well. The same method they do at DTLR in Georgia down south. So you want to go and ask these places how they're going to do it, because sometimes they can just be like, no, we're not doing a raffle. It's going to be first come, first serve. I remember Foot Locker was having a huge problem with that on the old, system where they was, putting the shoes on the site. One minute it will say first come, first serve, and then when it's too late, you figure out that they're doing a raffle on the app, man. I know this happened a lot with a lot of YouTubers, and especially me as well. So you got to check like Foot Locker, you got to check your Champ Sports and stuff like that a lot. And another reason I really want this shoe, because I need to earn some more points for the Flex program, man. I'm like zeroed out. I use all my points for the Off-White 5s, and I use all my points for the Air Jordan 1 UNT to Chicago Women's, man. So I'm all zeroed out. Hopefully I get these ones so I can get some more points for future releases. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Right now in the comment section below, let me know if you're going after these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. You know your boy definitely gonna go out and drop that review and on feed for you guys. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World. It'll be linked down below. And like the video right now for your boy. That really shows me you guys are enjoying the content, man. More content dropping soon. I'm sorry for being streaky with the uploads, but more bangers gonna be dropping. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.